Hey, what's up, SafeMoon holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the SafeMoon coin. What's the current price of SafeMoon? And you know what? In this video, I'm talking about the good news of SafeMoon. So, absolutely, you will be feel very happy after watching this video. So, just keep watching this video till the end and be entertain yourself, my friends. Anyways, you have to subscribe my channel. Please subscribe now. My friends, the currently latest price of the SafeMoon is a low price. Still the price of SafeMoon is low, so I think that's another opportunity. That's another chance for all of you to buy SafeMoon, my friends. Anyways, my friends, first of all, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research. That's good for all of you, my friends. Now, as I told you, my friends, that's a good news. You will be feel very happy after watching this video. So same like that, the currently situation, the latest situation of the SafeMoon is positive. Last 1 hour, last 1 day, price changes occur in the SafeMoon is going positive. So that is why I'm telling you that that's a good news. Hope you like this good news. Let me show you the price chart of the SafeMoon, my friends. My friends, the current price change occur the SafeMoon is going good. The last 1 day price change occur the SafeMoon positive 11.68%. The price change of the SafeMoon is going good. It's a good idea, my friends. So the price change is going good. So every holder is feeling very happy today, my friends, because the price pump, my friends. So when the price pumps, absolutely everyone feeling good. Personally, I'm feeling very satisfied. I'm feeling very good, my friends. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Station for more news and updates videos.